Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on operations with single digits. One of the most important basic skills that students must possess is the ability to carry out each of the four operations with any of the single digits from 0 to 9. Example 1, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Here is a real-life application, that is an example that can be used in real life. Bill has 5 marbles and Sue has 4 marbles. How many do they have altogether? Example 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6. The real-life application. Mary has $8 and she bought a drink for $2. How much money is left? Example 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. The real-life application. 3 students each had 8 pencils. How many pencils are there altogether? And example 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And the real-life application. Share 8 lollies between 4 people. How many does each person get? So there's a great example of those 4 operations and a real-life example for each one. Number families. Let us look at some number families that always appear together when we carry out either addition or subtraction with them. Such a property allows us to carry out these operations quickly and efficiently. Let's look at family number 1, which is 1, 2 and 3. Now this is why we call it a number family, because 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 minus 1 equals 2, and 3 minus 2 equals 1. And those 3 numbers always appear together when we do the operations of addition or subtraction. Family 2 is 2, 3 and 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 minus 3 equals 2, and 5 minus 2 equals 3. So those 3 numbers are a family. Family 3, 3, 4 and 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7, 7 minus 3 equals 4, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. So there is another family of 3. I wonder if you can find out some more families. I really think you can. Once you see that pattern, it's quite straightforward, and there are many, many, many families of 3. Interesting questions. Consider the numbers 2, 3 and 5. Use either addition or subtraction or a combination of both operations to make a number sentence that equals 10. You may use any number a maximum of twice in the number sentence. At least 2 of the numbers must be used in your number sentence. You may choose to write more than one number sentence. So basically what it's saying, we have 2, 3 and 5. We can use 2 of them or we can use 3 of them, and we have to get a number sentence that makes 10. We can use addition or subtraction or both. So here's the first example. 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 equals 10. So we've used 2 and 3, and we haven't used any one of them more than twice. Here's another one. 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 10. The next example. 5 plus 5 plus 3 minus 3 equals 10. So if you look at those carefully, we're following these instructions, and these are the number sentences we've constructed. Can you find any more of them? Now you are asked to use at least 4 different single digits in a number sentence to make 10. You may use any of the operations, so any of the 4 operations you can use in any order. You may use one or more of these operations. Okay, so you can double up on operations, or you can use them as many times as you want, but you can only use 4 digits, no more than that. Let's look at the first one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. So we've only used those 4 digits, and we have to use 4, so we've done that, and we get 10. Look at these four digits here. 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 minus 3 is 11, 11 minus 1 is 10. That also works. 9 minus 7 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. That also works. And how many other examples can you find? And you will find that there are many, many examples. See if you can do another 3 or 4. So basically this video encourages you to look at single digits and to carry out the operations of addition and subtraction so that you become very, very proficient in the area.